How to grade assignments in Brightspace. If I look over here to the right, I can see that I have a notification telling me that a student has submitted a new file. And what I'm going to do is go to Activities, Assignments, and right now there's only one assignment box, but I can see that 2 of my 8 students have completed by submitting a paper into the Dropbox. Okay, I have evaluated 0 of them and with no feedback. So I'm going to click on the box. Now when you first open it up, you will see some general information. I had previously activated the Turnitin. Well, you can see that I have a high similarity score of 100% on both of these papers. Alright, if I click on that, it will take me to the Turnitin site and it will highlight all the different things that have been plagiarized. Okay, now if you want to dig deeper, you can utilize these tools over here, but you can see that it was submitted to Montana State University depository at one time. So some student has previously submitted this. And then if I want to go even deeper, I can track it all the way back, and it'll even provide websites that show where that content was from. Okay, there are a few more features here that if you want to explore, you're more welcome to, but I will probably cover Turnitin in greater depth later on. Okay, so for right now we're going to go back to Brightspace, and this all right here has to do with the Turnitin. Now I want to evaluate all my assignments within Brightspace, so to do that I'm going to click on the actual assignment, and it's going to give me a reading window, and I'm going to have a toolbar across here of different things. Here I can mark up the different assignments to highlight particular things that they didn't do very well or bring attention to. You can leave comments. Alright, so I will leave those there. Alright, scrolling over here to the sidebar, we have all this different information you can look at. These are the instructions that are provided with the assignment. This is the assignment dates, and as you can see I had this due July 31st at 1:15 p.m. Okay, this one was submitted on time. Now I've also attached a rubric to this, and I can use this to score the student. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it will open up my rubric. Okay, after looking at the assignment, this is what the student got. Okay, so I'll close that, and right here Brightspace calculates the score out of 100, which I had previously set for this assignment, and it gives you an example of what the students will see. Now I'm going to say good job, keep up the good work. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I got to make sure to publish this information or even save it, otherwise it will not save as we move along. Okay, I want to publish. This is going to put all the information out to the student, and it's also going to push the grade into the gradebook. Alright, now that I'm done with that, I can go on to the next student by just clicking down here in the lower right. Alright, so here we are with this student, and we can see that the student submitted past the due date, so it has flagged it for us. At 1:26, the due date was 1:15, so they were pretty close. Okay, so click on that, generate the reading preview, same as the previous students. You can go through and explore these different features. They're fairly self-explanatory, so I won't get into much detail. Okay. Okay, so after going through all that and grading the students' papers, I wanted to give you the student perspective on what they see. So I went ahead and impersonated Bob's student here, and we're going to go, and we see that he's got a notification here and also a notification here. So we'll click on that, and you can see that he got a grade update on what we had published. Okay, and also if I click on this, assignments and unread feedback. This will take him in there, and we can see that he has unread feedback. Okay, and because I had a rubric attached to this populates, gives them an example of what's going on there. And here is the inline feedback where we made notations on here, and they'll be able to review those. And if you give them points for fixing their mistakes, then they can resubmit. You can regrade and change it. Okay, that is done. And now let's go up to the progress tool for this student, grades. And we can see that once again, here is all his points, the weight achieved, the grade for this particular assignment, the inline feedback, and the graded rubric. Alright, if you have any further questions about grading papers and grading with a rubric, please contact Caleb or I. We're in the basement of Cowan Hall in room 110. Thank you.